What's up, gentlemen? So we're a few months into 2022, and I am so excited about what I've been seeing in the men's hair world. As most of you guys know, I own the hair product company Pete Pedro, but I also am part owners in a salon, Salon Posta. And what I've been seeing in terms of guys' hair is crazy exciting. People are embracing their natural flow. They're also sort of stepping a little bit outside of the box. Today, I'm going to go over 7 of the sexiest styles that dudes are rocking in 2022, but I'm also gonna go over what products to use if you're interested in trying one of the styles we talk about. And real quick, guys, all the products that I'm gonna talk about, if you wanna check them out, I'm gonna link to everything down below. There's also gonna be a limited time discount code. And if you're not sure what product is gonna be best for you or your hair, Pete Pedro has a hair product recommendation tool. You tell us the style you're going for, how much shine and how much hold, and we will auto-generate a recommendation for you. The first super sexy style, gentlemen, is curls for the girls, is what I'm gonna call it, all right? Dudes that are embracing their natural curly texture, letting it rock, more natural. Now, combining it with some type of low fade, in my opinion, is gonna take this look to the next level. A lot of men now are actually going and having processes like perms and body waves done to their hair at salons in order to obtain a more textured, more curly look. But your curls can't be all like crunchy and hard. You gotta make sure you're using the right product and your hair looks natural, soft, and sexy. And so what I recommend, guys, cream is kind of like a leave-in conditioner that's going to offer a little bit of hold, but it's really going to help keep everything together, soft, sexy, and a little bit of shine. Now, if you want to add a little bit more volume, guys, you could always go with the sea salt spray as a pre-styler, but something that guys have been loving lately is actually a product called Thick. Thick is a low-hold texturizing cream that is going to add a ton of volume. So if you're somebody that has a longer style, wants it to be more natural looking, but you want a little more volume, a little bit of hold, you definitely should check out a product like Thick. The second style is one that I actually am thinking about rocking. I love it that much. It is the Caesar or French Crew. There are a bunch of different names, but basically it's a high fade style that's a little bit fringy and messy on top. If you do a Google search for like French Crew or Caesar cut, you're gonna see a ton of different options. And the thing that I love so much about this style, it works great for guys with thick hair, but it also works amazing with guys that have thin hair or a receding hairline. The key and the trick for this style to look amazing is texture. Lots and lots of texture. When you go in to see a stylist, what I'd ask for is some type of razoring, which means he's gonna go in there, thin it up, and make it a lot more like PC separation. Now, in terms of a product, definitely use a pre-styler like a sea salt spray. This is gonna add a lot more volume, a lot more texture, a lot more PC separation. And then for product, you've really got 2 different options depending on your hair type and texture, all right? If you've got thick hair, I would definitely go with a putty. It's gonna be a high hold, low shine product, right? Work it in, emulsify real great. It's gonna hold all day, but you're still gonna have the ability to come in and actually mess it up and just give it a little more texture. Now, if you're somebody that has thin hair, fine hair, I would definitely rock some type of a hair clay. The clay is gonna be a little bit lighter in texture, but it's still gonna have a nice matte finish and a bit of hold. The third style that I absolutely actually love, and it is the modern mullet. I love the modern mullet. I think it looks incredible. Now, in terms of the styling, there are a few different options, right? You can go sort of short, textured on top, let it grow a little bit longer in the back, taper it on the sides, or you could actually go with a modified quiff, messy quiff, let it grow a little bit longer, and have the back just a bit longer as long as the sides are short. Now, in terms of the product, it really depends on the top and the length and the style that you're rocking. If you're going with something a bit longer, what I recommend is using a sea salt spray. This stuff is amazing. It's literally like grooming gold. I didn't always believe in this stuff, right? I was like, sea salt spray is bullshit. And then I tried one and I was like, where have you been my whole life? This product actually makes every hairstyle look better. It adds weightless volume, texture, and it's just amazing. It also helps your product work better. Anyway, the mullet, rock the sea salt spray as a pre-styler, and then if your hair's a little bit longer, paste is going to be the best option in terms of a longer mullet style, right? Because it's going to add a little bit of shine, lower hold though. It's not going to be so crunchy. It's going to add for a more natural look and feel. Now, if you want it to go real natural, a texturizing cream is also going to be a great option if you want a more natural flowy look, right? It's going to add that volume, that texture, that thickness without it being too crunchy or weighted down. Now, if your hair is short, textured, sort of spiky, I definitely go a clay or a putty. The next sexy ass style that is back, baby, and that is the curtains, all right? The curtains are a 90s style that yours truly rocked back in the day. It looked I thought better then. I don't really love the look. What I think looks better is when that part is a little bit off center. I think when you go super straight down with the part and it just flows down around your face, I think it looks a little bit like nerdy, but I know that it's very popular. So what I recommend, if you want to rock this style, maybe offset the part just a little bit, possibly an inch to an inch and a half. In terms of product, you don't want your hair to look wet and oily or greasy, which is why if you're going to be rocking the curtains, I would definitely not do something like a putty or a clay. I would go with something like a paste that's going to offer a little less hold, but just a touch of shine. If you want to go a little bit more natural, add a little more volume and texture, you could definitely go with the texturizing cream. The next style that I think is super sexy that literally looks amazing on everybody is the classic side part. Faded side part is a look that I think looks amazing. All right, now the cool thing is that you can go different lengths. You can really fit your personality but still have that classic look. And the thing that I love about it is that you can really make it a little bit like dressy and sexy by just adding a little more shine. For a nice shiny side part, you definitely want to go with the pomade. All right, a regular pomade or something with a little bit more hold, a little more shine is going to work great for something that's going to be very clean, very crisp. But if you want it a little bit more natural, but a hair clay is also going to be a great option for you guys that want to rock a side part but want a little bit more playfulness, a little bit more movement. All right, it's going to still offer a bit of shine, not too much, but it's going to have a lighter hold than something like a putty. Now, in terms of where to put or place your part, guys, what I'd recommend is get a comb, place it on your nose and go up straight through the center of your eye and run it up into your hair, right at that angle, and then right there. The part should be at a nice slight angle going back, as opposed to what some guys do, which is make it more straight across. The next sexy ass style that I'm seeing that's really popular in 2022 is what I call F-boy flow. All right, it's longer hair, a little bit more primal, a little bit more animalistic, but it definitely makes you look sexy as F. Spicy senoritas, this one gets them going crazy, right? Even though a lot of guys are like, I don't want to grow my hair out. Women absolutely love it when a guy grows his hair out. Now, in terms of a product, what I'd recommend is sea salt spray, of course. The texturizing cream is going to be best for you, right? It's a lighter hold product, but it's still going to give you a little something. It's going to control the flyaways and frizz and just basically make your hair look like a mane, a lion's mane of fucking sexiness. And last but certainly not least, the seventh sexiest style that I cannot rock because my ears are pointy and I got like a bump, a cone head on the top, is a buzz cut or a crew cut. Any type of style that is super short, right? Now, whether or not you want to go with the low fade, tighter on top, or you want to do like one length all over, this is an amazingly sexy style. And personally, I think it's even extra sexy when you combine it with some type of facial hair that is nice and seamlessly blended. Now, in terms of product, you don't need any hairstyling product, right? That's one of the beautiful things about a low maintenance style like a buzz cut or a crew cut, but you still need to shampoo in order to remove the oil, the dirt, the grime from your hair, and don't just use soap or body wash. What I'd recommend, guys, is invest in some type of high quality daily shampoo. All right, this one, the Clean from Pete Pedro, amazing. It's got tea tree oil, it's got peppermint, it's a great daily shampoo. Or if you want something a little more manly or masculine, go Bold. It's bourbon inspired. This stuff, game changer. Now, if you've got drier hair, I would definitely recommend a hydrating shampoo that's going to be packed full of argan oil. Hydrate is amazing. But if you want more sexy weightless volume, guys, you got to check out a volumizing shampoo volume. All right, this stuff is packed with biotin and rice protein to add weightless volume to your hair. And yes, you need to use a conditioner if your hair is longer than like half an inch. All right, what I'd recommend is go with something like a cream peppermint conditioner that's going to restore and hydrate your hair and help nourish it. Or you could rock something like the cowboy conditioner. This is the newest conditioner that we have. Amazing. Its tobacco notes are manly, sexy, and definitely a crowd pleaser with the spicy senoritas. Gentlemen, all the products are going to be listed and linked down below along with that discount code. Bottom line, gentlemen, 2022 is here, and I am so incredibly excited about the hair situation that I see a lot of you sexy ass dudes rocking. It's playful, it's fun. It's time for you to embrace your individual style and rock whatever the fuck you want.